मम्मा चलो मैं नीचे गिर जाऊंगी।
गिरते नहीं है इंशा, इसमें कोई इतना गहरा पानी थोड़ी है।
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Hi guys, we are here on Al Quram holidays for our holiday, and we have booked a huge cruise ship. Look, it is amazing. Bye bye. Guys, we are going in the boat to drive, and I am really scared with my phone.
Okay.
I'm feeling it.
इंशा इधर देखो। डरपोक।
And on there I went to a boat and I did a lot of poses like this one right now. My phone was in the water. Like this right now, like my phone is on the water, but I'm not. This is so much hard, guys. Woo! Take that back.
Bombastic side eye.
Stop it. Get some help.
I can rap Jenny's rap from Mumbai.
Okay.
Clap better being that a book. Guess so, honey, got hands up, there's some balloon. Check out Naya. So we get. Okay, I'm just gonna hit something. Olivia Rodriguez. Did you not know why? Wait, 1 second. Wait, you
$2,000 years later.
We have done. We have done. Let's go.
Just a minute video.
It's a bridge on the water. It's kind of scary. Let's go. This is scary with my foot. Because my foot would fall any second. It's wrong.
Sharjah Boat Tour.
enjoyed too much today. We go on the boat and we go to Cornish, and now we're going to a park that we saw. It was just in front of the boat riding. Look, show them that part, because I wanted to go on the swings and my mommy was tired of driving the boat.
우리
Guys, we're going to the park like over there. Baru stop.
My goodness, that's amazing.
One cheeseburger. This one is messed up.
Blackpink in your area. Blackpink in your area. Being a bad girl, I know I am. And I'm so hot, I need a fan. I don't want a boy, I need a man. Click, clack, bada bing, bada boom. 문을 박 차면 모두 날 바라본 굳이 애써 노력 안 해도 모든 남자들의 코피가 팡팡팡 팡팡 바라바라 팡팡팡 지금 날 위해 축배를 짠짠짠 Hands up 내 손에 바라 follow henny 네가 말로만 듣던 걔가 나야 Jenny 춤추는 불빛은 날 감싸고 도네 Black to the pink 어디서든 특별해 Oh yes 쳐다보 We're gonna wanna dance Like 따라라란딴 따라라란딴 부르던 밤 좋아 이 분위기가 좋아 좋아 난 지금 네가 좋아 정말 반했어 오늘 밤 너와 춤추고 싶어 붐바야